Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your iPhone can locate you and that Apple Maps is allowed to use location services. Once done, open Maps and tap the search bar, type the address, business name, or paste coordinates. Make your selection from the live suggestions so Maps centers on the place. Then tap Directions to move to routing mode. This first action sends the app into thinking mode and prepares options for driving, walking, transit, or cycling routes. Now you refine the route. Choose the travel mode at the top, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, because each uses different roads and rules. Next, tap options to avoid tolls or highways and to set departure or arrival times for accurate transit planning. Look at the list of alternative routes and compare time and distance. Swipe up for a step-by-step preview and turn list so you can scan complex intersections. This helps you pick the route that match. Tap Go to start real-time navigation and voice guidance. If you're in a car, connect to CarPlay or Bluetooth for safer audio. Follow the turn-by-turn instructions, watch lane guidance, and monitor live traffic to get reroutes when incidents occur. When you reach your destination, end navigation. If directions or location seem wrong, first toggle location services off and on, then restart Maps. Make sure offline caching hasn't expired. That troubleshooting step fixes most GPS or map data hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.